Hello, I'm Stephen Mead, and I'm here to talk to you about my WetRock. And for those of you that don't know, we're actually starting a company around the environment, but what I've realized is I wanted to start out and sort of frame the position of the company and what we're doing, and I've realized I want to do that by playing a word association game. And here's what I mean. I'm going to ask you a question, just to start out. And if I ask you the question, I want you to think of what's the first company or brand that pops in your mind when I give you the following scenario. You have a birthday party for a 12-year-old kid who loves the environment. What's the first company or brand that pops to mind that has cool products that help the environment? And I've had that exact response. People look and they think around, and that to me is fascinating. My WetRock is a company, we want to be a brand that has cool products that help the environment. And I think that's important because when you look around, there's lots of companies. As big as we think the environmental space is, no one company or brand owns that space that instantly pops to mind and says, oh, they've got cool products. When you look at clothing, Gap, Banana Republic, yes, so many brands. Toys, Mattel, Disney, Hasbro, electronics, environment. Nobody owns that space. So what we want to do with my WetRock is create a company that has cool products for cool people that help cool the planet. And we've got our first device, our first product called the Dropbox. And as you watch some of the videos that we have coming up or some of the other information, we're going to show you something that's not as simple as it seems. Simple idea, don't get me wrong. Simple idea, great execution, but the idea itself is a big idea. It's a big idea in terms of what the impact is. It's a big idea in terms of what it does. The areas we cover for environment, I joke all the time, we have 6 tenets that our first product covers. Peace. There's ways with water that you impact peace, power, conservation, education, entertainment, water. All of these issues are important to the environment. And how do you make a big impact? How do you make a difference? How do you change the world? How do you have a cool company with great products? That's what we want to be with my WetRock. So as you watch what's coming up, as you watch our first product, as you watch how we positioned it, I really want you to think about this not as the simple product it is, but as the big idea it can become. So I hope you enjoy. Again, I'm Stephen Mead. You're about to learn about my WetRock, which is Earth, not the third rock from the sun, the WetRock. Thank you very much.